Alright, today is Zippo Saturday, and we're going to take a look at a couple of James Bond inspired Zippos. Now, according to Rotten Tomatoes, the #1 James Bond movie is GoldFinger. And here is the Zippo. It's just a sticker on there, but it is the GoldFinger commemorative. It's on a street chrome, and this was made in, let's see, looks like F of 2018. Pretty good stampings. Now here is one that's a little bit better. Actually, it's a lot better. This is a 007 armor, heavily carved. The armor Zippos are thicker, so they can do carvings in the body. Now this was made in J of 2019. Really good stampings, and you can see right there, that is the armor stamping. It's the A inside the flaming shield. So this is on high polish. High polish on one side and heavily carved on the other. Just got the plain steel insert. And the last one is probably the best. This is the brass 007. Again, highly carved. Really highly carved. Got some really nice traction on that carving. And it is a high polished brass. It's been used a little bit. And this is also an armor made in G of 2018. You can see made in the USA, and there's the little armor shield. It's got the A with the flame above it. Now this one has a brass colored insert. These inserts are steel, but they're colored brass. Zippo says that they can't make them out of brass because they will melt. But that's one of the best Zippos I have in armor. And let's do a little drop test on one of these. I think I'll use the cheapest one. This is the GoldFinger Street Chrome. Lights up nice. Let's do a lit drop test. So this Zippo GoldFinger passes the drop test. And since all genuine Zippos are made in the USA, let's give them some cowbell. Knuckle bump.